Hi, I'm İlkay and welcome to my tutorial series Lightning Sibelius. Today I'm going to show you how to use different bar numbering format and bar number styles for different instrument dynamic parts at the same time in one project file. This option can be a time saver during orchestral rehearsals. For example, in some occasions it can be very handy to have bar numbers at the center of each bars for percussion players, while you have them in the beginning of every system for strings, brass and woodwinds. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the thumbs up button below. If you like my tutorials and if you want to support my channel, you can also donate it via PayPal link in description. It is very simple to do so. First, go to the text tab and click on this little triangle under the styles tab. Now, you need to make a new font by based bar number parts font. Click on new text style. And from here, choose bold. From the second tab, choose boxed option and change its name to boxed by cancelling this to writing. Click on OK. You can make another variation with the circled bar numbers. The process is the same. Go to bar numbers parts, new text style, go to the style and change it to bold. Second tab, and this time click on circled option and write circled. Now choose your percussion instrument and open its part by hitting KW. Go to the parts tab, part appearance, current part, and from the house style come to the bar numbers. You need to click every one bars, center in the bar, and from the bar number text style choose bar number boxed option and click OK. And voila! And let's change also strings with the circled bar number font we have just prepared to give another example. To do so, first open each string player's dynamic parts one by one hitting the KW. Go to the parts tab, part appearance, and this time choose open parts. And from the house style come to the bar numbers and this time choose bar numbers circled option. Be sure that center in the bar option is unchecked. And now, while we have the boxed bar numbers at the center of all bars for the percussion player, we have circled bar numbers for every system in the string players. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my tutorial series, please subscribe to my channel and click on the thumbs up button below. If you want to support my channel, you can donate it via PayPal link in the description. See you soon in another mind-blowing Lightning Sibelius chapter.